Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Trouver Vacuum Cleaner Power 11. Stronger suction and lighter body. It's an upgraded version of the good old Trouver Power Vacuum Cleaner. The best use strands. Pressure, all excellent for ultra performance. That means new AERO 4.0 high-speed motor, smaller, lighter, and more precise. 20,000 Pascal power section, 100,000 rounds per minute high-speed brushless motor. 2,500 mAh lithium battery that brings you up to 60 minutes of running time. Battery placement is easy as going. Reboldable machine life. And fabric cleaning brush. The section brush for mite and hair on fabrics. The LED color screen is on top of it. Visualized power consumption and gears. And we have a movable floor rack, free from wall openings. That's awesome, because we do not have to attach it to a wall. That means we only have to place the floor rack on the floor and have fun with it. And it's easy to empty the dust cap. Split the dust cap, quick emptying, easy disassembling and rinsing. That's so easy. Because of the new generation AERO 4.0 high-speed motor, only 50mm in diameter startup time is as fast as 0.4 seconds minimum dynamic balance. Calibration precision to 0.002 G. Wow, that's awesome. We can take and use the lightness, clean, up fast and spotless. With a renewed performance, applicability, and dynamics, the Power 11 swiftly sucks the floor spark clean of dust, microorganisms, and mites before the imminent arrival of guests. That's fast. That's really easy. And with 100,000 of rounds per minute, we have a high-speed brushless motor built in, and, whoa, in maximum mode, 20,000 Pascal of power section. The section brush for mite and hair on fabrics extremely clean everywhere. We have an automatic flapping, sweeping and sucking of human pet hair, mite, dust and dander deep hidden in fabrics. And we can remove them easily with that Hoover. And we have an ergonomic designed handle. The torque shortening, easy to operate with one hand. The motor and the battery are placed at the back head and the end of the handle, with reduced torque and balance wide, while the center of gravity of the machine is set closer to the arm for easy cleaning at height. We have a 2-in-1 flat section brush suitable for multiple scenarios. An efficient dust solution for furniture, seams, corners, doors, rails, seats, etc. And the movable floor rack, free from wall openings. We do not have to drill holes into our walls because we can use that floor rack easily. Firm and space-saving movable floor rack that hold the machine in perfect balance and store suction head accessories. And one button replacement of the battery pack. Lifespan is double length and extended because we can buy a couple of batteries for it, and then we can have fun with it so long. We have an LED display in real-time operation status. We can see on it easily the suction gear, the remaining battery, and the volt reminding. And we have one key switch, manual or continuous, for dust collection. We have a dual cool air coolant self-regulation system, excellent heat dissipation. That means longer lifetime, longer runtime because of the cooling system. And with a 2500 mAh lithium battery, we will come in 60 minutes. 60 minutes in long battery mode, 25 minutes in high power mode, and 10 minutes in super high power with super monster awesome high super suction mode. The multi-cone cycle dust collection, centrifugal filtration. The HEPA filter is pressure-free, safe consumable easily. 5-layer fine filtration. Intercept the particles larger than 0.3 micrometers. Clean exhaust. And we can detachable the split dust cup. Quick emptying and water rinsing if you like. The dust cup allows the quick emptying without staining the hand. The stainer and cup can be disassembled for rinsing to keep from germ at the source. Split dust the cup. Emptying easy, disassembling and rinsing with a single press. Wow! And we have a multi-scene combination in that set. Light enough to clean the vents, for example. Multi-section to clean the bed. Multi-section to clean the sofa. Strong section to clean the floor. Strong section to clean the carpet. And a single press to release the dust cup. The vacuum cleaner model is VPL4. The rated power is 400 watt. The rated voltage is 25.2 volts. The charging time for the battery is about 4 hours. The battery capacity is 2500 mAh. The weight of this device is 1.45 kilogram, and the dust cap capacity is 0.4 liters. We have a motor model of Trouver AERO 4.0. The operation hours is up to 60 minutes. The vacuum power is 20 kilopascal. And the filtering system is a 6-cone metal filter, cycling self-cleaning 5-fold filtration. We have an all over 1227 millimeter range, and the other dimension is 227 millimeters. And this is all good because it is reliable, it is easy to use, and you can use it for a long time. This is a Trouver Power II cordless vacuum cleaner. Strong section and lighter body. That's really awesome and easy to use. The only thing what you have to think about is you have a small capacity for the dust. But this is standard in cordless vacuum cleaners because there's not so much space because of the weight. We will get a soft roller nozzle for all floors. We will get a 2-in-1 creeping nozzle, a power adapter to reload the battery, a mini motorized nozzle, a vertical storage mount, and an extension rod. That's really awesome, and this will bring you so much joy with your household working stage. If you look at the display screen, you can use the electronic lock. This is the upper button. Press briefly to enter or exit the lock. Open the lock. Press briefly to switch to continuous cleaning. Then you have the lock status indicator, then the residual power display, then the gear status, eco, medium or turbo mode, and the gear switch button. Then you have to press it briefly to switch the gears. It's really easy to get all the nozzles on it or off it. That's really easy because there is an extension rod release button on each part of the vacuum cleaner, and you can attach them or detach them easily. The only thing you have to do is click it in position. Then you have a vertical storage mount. It's really easy. Pull the support rod off the mount until it locks into the place. Then you have to screw a little screw into it. Job's done. The vacuum cleaner and the attachment can be stored on the mount when not in use. Oh yeah. If you're going to charge it, you can charge it while it is installed on the vacuum cleaner, or you can remove the battery and reload the battery itself. The vacuum cleaner cannot be used while charging. To fully charge the vacuum cleaner before using it, for the first time because of the power of the battery. This is really important. This will take about 4 hours. The vacuum at turbo mode for a prolonged period will cause the battery to heat up while increasing the charging time. So allow the vacuum cleaner to cool down for 30 minutes before charging it. If you see or recharge the battery, the blinking indicator means charging. Solid indicator, it's full charged. And then you can work with it easily. You can use this continuous cleaning mode. Press and hold the switch to the vacuum cleaner to start working and release it to stop immediately. Number 2 is continuous cleaning mode, electronic lock. Press the electronic lock key to switch to continuous cleaning mode, and then briefly press the switch to make the vacuum cleaner in continuous cleaning mode. Use the electronic lock to free your fingers and avoid finger fatigue caused by holding the switch. In this mode, briefly press the switch to suspend the operation to start again, and the working mode of the vacuum cleaner will not change. Click the electronic lock again to quit the continuous cleaning mode. Use the different attachments. Soft roller nozzle, suitable for vacuum wood, tile, marble, and other hard floors, surface as well as for vacuuming up larger pieces of dirt and debris. If you're using the mini motorized nozzle, that is for vacuum dirt, pet hair, and other stubborn debris from bedding and other fabric surfaces. And you have the 2-in-1 Craven nozzle, suitable for vacuum cracks, corners or doors, and window stairs, and other hard to reach places. And to maintenance use, always use the maintenance parts while the vacuum cleaner is not running, of course. Wipe the vacuum cleaner with a soft, dry cloth to clean the entire vacuum cleaner. If you're going to clean the dustbin, before cleaning the dustbin, disconnect the adapter and keep the vacuum cleaner's power switch in off position. Then press the dustbin release button and hold the dustbin to remove from the vacuum cleaner. That's really easy. You have to lift it up a little bit and then you have unleashed it. Then empty the dust compartment. You have 2 options. First is push the button, empty the dust compartment. The second thing, you can remove the upper part, the cyclone assembly, and of course there you can replace the foam pad and the HEPA filter. To remove the HEPA filter, rotate the cyclone assembly and then remove it from the dustbin. Remove the built-in foam pad before cleaning the HEPA filter, and you can clean the HEPA filter while using water. Rinse water over it, but then you have to wait until the HEPA filter is 24 hours cleaned, well cleaned, all of them, because you can clean the dustbin, the cyclone assembly, the HEPA filter, and the foam pad under running water. Rinse the dustbin, the cyclone assembly, the HEPA filter, and built-in foam pad until they are clean. After washing, allow to air dry at least 24 hours or more. It is really important that it is really not wet while you are installing it or reinstalling it. Then you get the foam pad onto the HEPA filter, then attach the HEPA filter to the cyclone assembly and press the cyclone assembly into the dustbin bag. And then you have to push back the whole dustbin into the machine. Job's done. If you're going to clean the soft roller nozzle, push the brush bar head release button easily on it. Then you can remove it and clean it. It's the same thing. You can wash up a little bit, but wait then 24 hours, okay? Then the same thing, it's clean the mini motorized nozzle. You can remove it by using a coin to turn the clock counterclockwise until we can hear a click. Remove the nozzle, job's done. 24 hours with water, job's done, easily. That is how you can use it and how you can clean your Trouver Power II, Power 11 cordless vacuum cleaner. Strong section and lighter body. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.